Good morning, landlord. How was your night, sir? I got to the restaurant this morning and my workers asked that I come and see you urgently, that you put a call across asking that I come and see you the moment I arrive. I hope there's no problem, sir.
Well, I am afraid I have some bad news. I am giving you 3 months to quit that building. I want to make use of it.
Wait, what? Landlord? I've been a very, very loyal and obedient tenant. I pay my rent as and when due. When you increase your rent, I don't argue. I take very good care of the building and the surroundings. What is the problem? I've been running my restaurant for the past 8 years there. And my restaurant is the best restaurant in town. Why do you want to quit me?
I am giving you a quit notice and you're telling me that you've been running your restaurant there for the past 8 years. Oh, running your restaurant there for the past 8 years, does that make you the landlord? I am still the landlord and you remain my tenant, and I have the right to quit you from my property provided I give you a good enough notice. Now I'm giving you that notice. I want to use that building and I want you out of there within the next 3 months. Failure to move out, you would be forcefully evicted. I don't think you want to have problems with me because, as you know, I am one of the richest and most powerful men in this country. One phone call and you're out of that place. You have within 3 months, young man. Look for other alternatives and leave that place.
But landlord, this is very, very, very unfair. I don't deserve this.
Sorry.
Life itself is unfair and nobody deserves anything. Leave my presence now before I call in the guards to throw you out.
Oh, Mr. Landlord, good morning. At what do I owe your visit? It's quite early and you're already at the store. How may I help you, sir? I hope there's no problem.
You are a tenant and I am the landlord. I have the right to visit my property at any point in time without seeking the permission of the tenant. Well, I wish to inform you that you have within 3 months to leave this property, otherwise you would be forcefully evicted. I want to use this property so you can move your grocery store elsewhere.
Landlord, this is surprising. I don't understand. I pay my rent and I've been well behaved. Or did I offend you in any way? I've been running my grocery store here for the past 5 years. And now that business is about to start really booming and I'm getting the traction and recognition that I need, you want to quit me? All my customers already know this place. If I start moving now, it's like starting my business from the scratch all over again. Please, landlord, don't do this to me.
You must be out of your mind, young lady. You've been running your business here for the past 5 years. Does it make the building yours? I own this place. I built it with my money and my sweat. I want to use it for other things. I need you out of here within the next 3 months. If you don't leave here at the expiration of the 3 months notice that I just served you, you would be forcefully evicted and all your things thrown out in the open. Be smart. Look for an alternative and get out of here as soon as possible. You don't want to have problems with me. I'm one of the richest and most powerful men in this country. Be warned.
They told me. I did not believe. I said, let me come here and use my 2 eyes to see. So this is what you and your father do. Your father, as a landlord, will rent out shops to entrepreneurs and he will watch them toil day and night to build those businesses. After those businesses have gathered clients, he will now quit them and call one of his children to take over the business. Just change the name and inherit all the clients that entrepreneur has suffered to build. So this is what you do. This is how come your father has chains of successful businesses based on other people's hustle and sweat. My God will judge you and your father. So you that you went to school abroad, You came back to this country to inherit a business that was built on my sweat. It shall not be well with you and this business. A business I built for 5 years. Your father quitted me without any offense or provocation. Security? Security! Please come and throw out this dirty piece of rag that is constituting public nuisance in my grocery store. What is wrong with this one with your fake UK accent? Nonsense. Thief. You and your papa wanna be thief. Nonsense. I'm a worry girl. I'll be coming here every day to worry you. Nonsense. It's not only security, it's security.
No. What a wicked word. What a wicked word. People see you. This restaurant is a restaurant that I built for the past 8 years. Everybody knows me as the owner of this restaurant. All of a sudden, Mr. Landlord decided to quit me 3 months ago. I'm surprised to come here now. They have changed the name and look at his son. His son is now the new owner of this place. All the customers here seated here eating, they were customers that were built and acquired by me. What kind of business tactics is this? This is very unfair. So this is how you and your family built all the chains of businesses that you have. This is very, very unfair.
This is a public display of idiocy, and I will not condone that in my restaurant. Waiter, go and call the security. Drag this man out of here. He's delusional.
Victor Isibor, you need to talk about this matter that is going on. The landlord, do you know his strategy? He goes into real estate. Then he will now rent out office space and shops to business people. He will now watch his tenants build those businesses for years, get enough traction and build a solid customer base. Then the next thing he will do is he will quit you unilaterally, then bring out one of his numerous children to take over that business. They will now be running the same business you are running at that same spot. All the customers you have built all these years, they will have no choice but to continue to patronize that business. You can imagine. This is what this man is doing. This is how come he has so many chains of businesses in different sections of the economy. This is bad business tactics. What do you think, Victor Isibor?
Wow, that is really bad. See what he did to that girl too. That girl that was running a grocery store. That was how he quit that girl and brought in his daughter. I mean, this is bad business tactics. You see, this is why I encourage people to build online businesses. There's no way you run a successful online business and one landlord will come and quit you. There's no landlord, there's no office space or shop when it comes to online businesses. You see, like the business in the description of this video now, there's no landlord coming to quit you anytime.
Victor, leave that thing. I have done MLM. I have done MLM. There was a time people ordered for my MLM products in Enugu. I put those products in one vehicle. That vehicle had an accident, all the products destroyed. That was how I ran into debt. And when I was doing this MLM, I was always traveling from city to city to hold seminars. I was involved in an accident that almost took my life. So there's no business that is easy. That's why I decided to, stay in one place and run a brick and mortar business.
Well, when I say you should run an online business, I don't mean a business with physical products. I mean a business with digital products, like the one in the description of this video. Digital. You can be in Africa and you will have patronage from people all over the world because the product you have on offer is digital and accessible to everybody in every nook and cranny of the world. If you are running a business with physical products and you are in Nigeria and somebody joins your team in China, how do you send products to them? When you send those products, when will they get it? Okay, look at what happened to your products in transit. An accident, all products destroyed. It doesn't make any sense. And when you're running a digital opportunity, you don't have to be traveling from place to place physically risking your lives. There's something called Zoom and Google Meet. Everything is digital.
Wow, Victor Isibor, you are right. When it comes to digital products, distance is not a barrier. And you don't even have to be physically marketing it. everything is digital when it comes to digital products. It is when you are doing a physical product MLM that you have to start thinking about waybill, shipping cost, and also doing physical seminars for your physical product so that you can at least show people the products they can touch and feel it, which is very tedious and very dangerous and sometimes not very feasible. Wow, I will look in the description of this video so that I can start promoting something digital that I can market digitally as well. That way, there will be no landlord that will come and quit me when I have successfully built my business online. Wow, thank you, Victor Isibor. I am consoled. I will start again. I will register via the link in the description of this video and start building my business.
With what you just went through with your landlord, the business in the description of this video is the best for you. No shop rent, no office space, no landlord, no tenant, no co-tenant, no quit notice, no leave, no transfer. Every day, you're making money and you're building your business for yourself and your family. A word is enough for the wise.